see you cast one.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Can I try it again?
Yeah, try it again. Reel it in. Cast it the other way. Don't cast it from the other side.
That side?
Yeah, like that. Like you're gonna throw a ball.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, that was good. Nice cast, Hannah.
Austin got one. Austin, did you got one?
Austin said he got one. Where's he at? Did you get one?
He got away.
He thought he had one. Well, that's our fishing video for today, Hannah.
Bye, everybody.
Beautiful sunset. And the new pond we found to fish in right by our house.
Look how much seaweed I got. Look at my seaweed.
Yeah, there's lots of seaweed out here. As you can see on the end of Hannah's
You can
pole,
only...
there's a big old chunk of
Look at me.
seaweed.
Make it look at me. You can only actually see the tail of it. And here's the flowers.
Well, why don't you pick it off? Let me show me how you pick that seaweed off there. Go ahead. You can do it. Don't fall in.
I almost fell in.
You're pretty close there to the edge.
You told me to get close to the edge.
You got it. Throw that lizard out there again.
Wait,
A little more. Alright. Cast her out there, girl. Right hand. There you go. Oh, what a cast. What a cast by Hannah Pennington. She is a great little fisher girl. Fishing chick. And that's all for today. Our newfound pond fishing. And Hannah cast again.
Look, make them look at the moon. It's so...
Oh yeah, there's a nice moon out tonight too. Look at that.
And look at the
Zoom in on it.
clouds. Daddy, look at the clouds.
That's an awesome moon tonight. Got the awesome moon and the awesome sunset.
Daddy, keep on videotaping. If I catch a fish, we can show him.
Keep on throwing it out there.
Got a fish. I got a fish.
Did you get one? No, you didn't.